Hey, back off the road again. Chillin', not chippin'. We're at Agape guest lodge. I think you found it on Lekker Slop. Really cool place. We've got some action going on here with these vervet monkeys hanging out over here. They've made themselves heard. Hello, my boy. What's up? If I get more action from them, I'll let you know, okay? What I want to do is I want to do a little walkthrough. So this is one of the lodges, Hope, Love and Joy. That's really rad. I like that a lot. Coming in is a cool bra area. It is, I might add, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is a 420 friendly spot. Anywhere over there, you are more than welcome to enjoy yourself, do the Route 420 thing. Nice TV, nice old decor, nostalgic decor. Cool fridge, self-catering. Bit of coffee, I can't wait for a coffee, I'm dying for a coffee. Nice bathroom over here. Really cool size shower. Sorry, if she said if we knock on the wall.
Mom lives next door. If we get lonely in the night, you can just go, hey, Mom. I don't know if he's joking or not, but and he also wants us to maybe, he's gone to get the other keys for us to look at the unit like next door, he says, which is nicer. So I thought maybe I could stay there and you could stay here.
No, well, maybe you can just say, listen, we're giving you free advertising. Don't you want to flip us out?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, hand hundreds. Let's do it. Let's do it.
He's going to go get the key.
Okay, the key's coming. The monkeys are in town. This looks like it's going to be a pretty cool night. And I think I'm going to be able to catch the sunset. So we're in for a good, cool 420 sunset story, yeah? The big guy's getting the key for the other unit. He's showing us what it looks like. Yeah, man. Come on, eh? Very, very nice. Outdoor. Look at this, guys. Picture it. Braai, bit of lamb, karoo lamb maybe. For you vegans, you can get those vegetable patty things and sausages. Dino likes those. Here's this is big, eh? Wow. Look at that. Yeah, nice. I would say it's great. Right down the road from Blowcrans Bridge, bungee jumping vibe. Can't go wrong, eh? Can't go wrong at all. Nice big bath, come shower. All the tourism stuff along here. Very cool. And then nice fridges. A whole scullery. I love it. Come here for a week and just go and explore the whole of this area and do your thing. There's the bra there. There we go, guys. So, why do we do this? Why do humans love traveling? I know I love traveling. Number one, I love road tripping. I love the music that I listen to. It gives me space to think. A lot of new ideas come up. It also switches me off a bit because I'm a bit of a busy bee in my mind. It gives you an opportunity to see beautiful things. I've always had a saying, what's the point of going overseas when I've got the most beautiful country that I live in and I can travel it for years and not see everything. So it's it's really cool. The monkeys are over there. There's a little baby. I'm not going to try and zoom in now. I'm sure they'll come around. They might. I was warned to not leave anything outside on the veranda in case they steal it. We'll catch up just now, okay? I need to get packing and stuff. Get unpacked and stuff and shot.